The Literature of Drones, Ethics and Remote Killing in Ender's Game by Dr. Mike Ryder. Published in Foundation, the International Review of Science Fiction Journal. Please see the description below for a link to the full paper. Abstract. Orson Scott Card's novel Ender's Game, 1985, envisages a world in which humans are removed from the process of warfare, replacing human-piloted aircraft and soldiers on the ground with remotely controlled spaceships sent to destroy a distant alien foe. In this way, the novel preempts and engages with many of the issues we contend with to this day with drone warfare and the ethics of killing targets that have been selected by a machine. Paper summary. This paper explores the ethics and practical implications of remote killing in Ender's Game, drawing on modern-day drone theory to examine key issues of responsibility, accountability, and guilt. It also explores the relationship between the human and the machine, asking where we draw the line between the human and the robot, and to what extent the human serves as an alibi for robotic control. What are some of the key parallels drawn between the drone warfare depicted in Ender's Game and modern-day drone warfare? Just as modern drones are used for targeted killing, the protagonists in the novel discover they have been controlling real human lives remotely to destroy the alien home world. The novel raises many of the same ethical issues we grapple with today around remote killing and the responsibility of drone operators. How does the novel explore the question of responsibility and the role of the human in a technologically mediated warfare scenario? The novel questions how responsible Ender Wiggin, the protagonist, can be for his actions when he is so deeply embedded in a complex system of human and machine interactions. It blurs the lines between the human and the machine, suggesting Ender is as much a biological robot as the drones he controls. The presence of human crews aboard the ships is questioned. Are they there as ethical cover, or do they serve any practical function? What other science fiction works are mentioned, and how do they relate to the themes discussed in Ender's Game? The novel is compared to other Cold War classics like Starship Troopers and The Forever War, which also explore themes of the human-machine relationship in warfare. Other works mentioned include Flow My Tears, The Policeman Said, and The Dispossessed, which also feature protagonists embedded in extensive surveillance networks and cybernetic frameworks. These works all grapple with the blurring of boundaries between the human and the artificial. In summary, the paper situates Ender's Game within a broader tradition of science fiction that presciently explores the ethical and philosophical implications of emerging military technologies. Conclusion. While at first glance, technology is presented as a problem for which a human controller is needed, the control that any human can exert is in reality minimal. It demonstrates the distinction between the human and the artificial. The master and the slave are not as clear as they may seem, and crucially, perhaps never were. Thanks for watching this video from ResearchGap. If you learned something, please like and subscribe so we can create more videos. If you're an academic and want a video made, please contact us via the methods below.